Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to make you guys some snowflake crisps. So first you need 300 grams of Ritz crackers, 200 grams of marshmallows, 100 grams of unsalted butter, 100 grams of milk powder, 100 grams of walnuts, and 120 grams of dried cranberries. So first you have to break these crackers in halves like this. Sorry, I already prepared all of these for you guys. Let's start making it. So first we need some butter. Oh, and make sure the heat is very low. Make sure the butter melts all the way. Okay, now some marshmallow. Smells good. Okay, now let's mix the marshmallows. Make sure there's no lumps. Make it nice and smooth. Okay, now let's put the milk powder in. It smells so creamy right now. Turn off the heat. And now, from now on, you have to stir very fast. Pour the walnuts in. The cranberries. And then the Ritz crackers. After you put all the things in, stir very fast. And then we need the baking pan. Prepare 2 pieces of baking paper. Lay 1 baking paper on the baking pan. Now put the stir in here. After you put the batter in here, use this to make the batter fit in here. Now, put the second layer of baking sheet on and use a rolling pin to roll it. It will look flat and smooth like this. Now we're going to put it in the refrigerator. Put the batter in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, but we put it in there for around an hour. We already put this in the refrigerator. Now my mom is going to cut it for me. Yay, we're done! It's snack time. Good. So good. You should try it too, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. Bye, guys!